Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do leave a comment and let me know how the readings are. And if you are not a part of my WhatsApp group, you can then WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990 so that I can add you to the group. Today I feel the energies are a little bit of maybe blockage based, and releasing is a must. So today in the morning when you have a bath, add a little bit of milk to your bath water and then have a bath with that if possible. If you can hear the Hanuman Kavach today, it will be really helpful for you all, for your layer of aura to be protected and to remove unwanted blockages. Also, if just give time for yourself. I feel you need to give time for yourself. But let's see what is coming in the cards also. Okay, pentagram. The first card which is come is pentagram. Let's see what is the next card which is coming. I love these cards because it sometimes relates me to my weekend journey, and it was gifted to me by one of my students who's more like my daughter. And whenever I see these cards, a blessing goes to her, and also I feel very happy because it reminds me of my journeys in many ways. So now coming back to how the day, sorry, I had to put a pause. So coming back to how the day is going to be. If you remember in the starting of the video, I said do the Hanuman Kavach and work on your aura. Some blockages are there because pentagram definitely is a symbol which talks about protection. It sometimes makes us feel powerless, and that is the reason a pentagram has come, that you need to set aside all your fears. You are not powerless. You feel you are powerless. You feel there are blockages, but if you decide to overcome those blockages, then the Sabbath is basically a card of celebration. So if you come out of it successfully, you can celebrate, you can live in harmony. Sometimes we go in search of harmony around the world, but the harmony is within us. So when I see this, it indicates that come out of your blockages, come out of your fear, come out of the obstacles that is stopping you from growing, and there will be celebration, and there will be a beautiful change happening in your life. So just step forward. Maybe the upcoming week is a new beginning, is a fresh beginning, and is a beautiful beginning for you, where you will find a lot of changes happening, a lot of blessings coming. But as I said, let go of that fear, let go of that inner blockage that it is not right, because we are our own obstacles. So don't be your own obstacles, but be your own success. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Blessed be.